In the crochet world, a magic ring is a foundational loop that can be manipulated to accommodate a number of stitches. Then it can be tightly closed to avoid leaving a hole in the center of your work. Magic rings are used to make things like hats, granny squares, and most amigurumi pieces. Let's see how it's made.
Okay, to make a magic ring, you're going to secure the tail end of your yarn and just make a loop around your fingers, and then you're going to hold on to that intersection there. Then you're going to insert your hook into the loop that you made. You're going to grab your working yarn and pull through the loop, and then you're going to yarn over here and go through. And that is really going to secure the ring that we have going on here. Then you will make a certain number of stitches inside the loop, and your pattern will tell you how many stitches you need to make into this magic ring here. It can be as little as 3, or it could be as many as 12. And you can make whatever kind of stitch the pattern tells you to make. These are just single crochets that I'm making, but you can do half doubles, you can do doubles, you can even do triples. And so that is what you would do. You would just put the number of stitches that are noted in the pattern, and then when you're done, pull it tight. And you can see how that center really cinches up nicely for you. And that's it to making the magic ring. So I hope you like this video, subscribe, and come back for more. Thanks for watching.